Hey guys, this is Shocker Falcons, and today we have a unboxing and review for you guys. This is the CM16 SRXL from G&G. Alright, let's get started. Here we go. Comes with one high cap mag. It's actually pretty good. It has some nice grips to it. I like this. Okay, here's the gun itself. I got the XL, which is, I don't know what, I think it's a 12-inch barrel, aluminum. It has the orange strip as usual, which I might take off and put my suppressor on. Has the plastic body with the pistol grip. Has nice grooves to make your hands feel better for a long day of shooting. The stock is a good thing to look at right here. I was really tired of the old G&G combat machine stocks, and then they came out with this one, which looks so much better. Even has a compartment here for you to put batteries or Skittles when you're on the go. I believe this is how you open it up. See right here, push this in, this button, and then it should swivel to the side. There we go. And this gun has a MOSFET built in. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there where my finger is. Which that's pretty sweet. Never owned a MOSFET gun, so it'd be interesting to see how this gun reacts to it. Has the 1-point sling if you prefer to go that way, which I do. This gun is ambidextrous for the mag release, for right here too. It has the bullet markings for the semi-safe and full auto, and this gun also has a 3-round burst mode, which you hold. You go to semi-auto, I think, and then you hold it down for 10 seconds, and you switch over to full auto, and then it should be 3-round burst. I'll show it in the shooting part of this video. And the flip up sights, just flip them up right here. I'll try to level this off for you guys. Which, I don't know, I'm not really a fan of these small sights, the rear sights, which I might get a new sights. I might get a Magpul. I like the front sight though. And this combat machine has engravings on it, so G&G really went far beyond on this gun. And it doesn't even look like a combat machine, to be honest. This gun also has, for the bolt catch, it's a dual one, so they both release here. This opens up inside, and then you have your standard G&G gears, and the key mod rails here it has are pretty nice. I love key mod. Alright, let's get on to the shooting. Hey guys, this is a shooting test. I know it's at nighttime, but I put some targets right there. It's probably like 50 feet, 75 feet. And let's see, ready? First time shooting. Alright, let's go full auto. Okay, so let me show you how to go to the 3-round burst. Alright, so you go to semi-auto, you fire once, hold for 10 seconds, then you switch it to a full auto and pull the trigger. And there's 3-round burst. And to take it off, switch it to semi, pull the trigger once and hold, switch it to full, and then you're back to full auto. Okay guys, this is the gun modified to my liking. As you can see right here, I took off the orange tip of the gun and put my suppressor on. This was off my old gun, so it has a little bit more length before. You can see down the sight, and I have a fully charged battery now. Last time it was almost dead, so here we go. And my full auto.